Hey guys, Silas here from Trade Trading. Welcome back to the channel. So what we're looking at here is a comparison between the US dollar and the euro currency. So what we've seen here over the last few weeks is the euro's fastest rally in a decade and a half, gaining traction with traders now betting on a move to 120 and strategists scrambling to update their forecast. So Europe's common currency hit its strongest level in 3 years the end of last week as economic uncertainty radiating from U.S. tariff policy raised questions about the dollar's traditional haven role. In fact, 3 out of 4 option contracts bought last week were for more euro gains. Traders say hedge funds are now targeting a move to 120, and strategists see rising odds that the currency hits that level, the highest since mid-2021 in the coming months. Why is this happening amidst economic uncertainty? Well, the euro is emerging as a prime beneficiary of greenback or U.S. dollar weakness as investors start to reassess the dollar's role in the global financial system after President Trump whipsawed markets with his tariff rollout and took the trade war with China to a whole new level. Let's take a look at what we also see from smart money positioning over the last several weeks here. This is based off the commitment of trader or COT data released by the CFTC.gov website every week. Notice the bullish positioning here going on over essentially the last month. Going back to March 21st, we saw 50,000 contracts liquidated from the short side, and we saw new and fresh buying. Their net position is now net long as of last week's report, 43,000 contracts and still climbing. So we'll get this week's report coming up on Friday. It's going to be very interesting to see if we will indeed see more bullish conviction from the smart money players. If we take a look at the Euro USD, this is a daily chart. It looks like, have we gone too far too fast? Well, depending on where you want to pick your battles, maybe so. But if we look at a weekly or higher time frame chart, maybe not. We can see clearly that we do have more room to run. And guess what? These highs right here will take us back to that magical 120 level. So pay attention very closely. In this macro environment, pay attention to what the hedge funds and the smart money are doing, and always focus on price. Good luck, good trading. If you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next update.